Hello everyone, it's Mike Levin, Thursday, May 7th, 2015, coming up on 8 a.m. and of course out walking the big guy. And today I am thinking about the 2 days of coding ahead of me. Hopefully I can get some focused time in today to set the stage for tomorrow. And every week I think I'm just 1 week away from finishing Pipulate and hit these iteratively more detailed details as I get to the end. Exactly how are people going to set up their jobs? How are they going to form the habits of using it every day as part of their workflow? And in working out these problems, I'm coming up with this innovative context-sensitive menu system to present to people exactly the jobs that Pipulate thinks that they're trying to do. So it'll look, for instance, to see what page you're on when you click the bookmarklet, and if you're on YouTube, it'll offer to track how many subscribers you have if you're on a YouTube channel, and if you're on a YouTube video, it'll offer to track the number of views on the video. Same if you go into a Twitter profile versus a Twitter search and a Google search. And so each of these sheet initializers, such as it were, sets up the first tab in the right format for the job that you're trying to do. And I'm debating whether to set things up for scheduling right off the bat, or to make people have to deliberately switch a ad hoc investigation over to a scheduled job, so that they're forced to think through what it means to run a scheduled job, which I believe is one of the things that makes systems like this generally peter out, something like that. Because running a scheduled job takes a fair amount of resources. You do it because the benefit you get is sufficiently high. But if you try and entice someone onto such a system with free, for example, hey, use the system free, you're like, oh, track this, track that, track this. And then that job has to run every day, every week, maybe even every hour, however often you set it up for, hitting APIs, consuming resources, costing money. And you start layering one person's job after another person's job onto the same set of servers, and pretty soon you've maxed out the capacity to hit certain APIs from certain IPs, or the amount of jobs you can fit into those servers, or you have to get more powerful servers so that you can do better parallelism and concurrency, or you need to load balance it or distribute the workload. So I am going to gear everything towards ad hoc investigations, make it really easy to go from zero to using this Swiss Army knife of SEO in like 10 seconds. Drag the bookmark, surf to a site, click it, make an option, bam, you're capturing some sort of data that you want to capture, and have the aha moment for Pipulate. So today and tomorrow really is bottling that aha moment so that people can share the link in email, show it to each other over their Facebook breaks at work, and generally spread the word just by virtue of being so cool to demonstrate, so cool to use, that it'll just start to be talked about and spread by virtue of being such a killer app. So that's today and tomorrow's work, finishing the context-sensitive menus to set the jobs up, and probably to make a video or two to demonstrate precisely how that works. So thanks for joining me. Hope to talk to you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.